Goa government has filed a special leave petition before the Supreme Court challenging the High Court's order directing Goa government to declare Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary as Tiger Reserve. There was one incident in 2020 in which 4 tigers were killed by poisoning in Sattari area. Later on, NGO Goa Foundation had filed a petition before the High Court requesting to declare Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary and surrounding area as Tiger Reserve. After hearing all the parties, High Court had recently ordered that Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary and the surrounding area should be declared as Tiger Reserve. But Goa government is not in favor of declaring Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary and surrounding area as Tiger Reserve, contending that there are many villagers who are living inside the Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and surrounding area in close proximity for decades. And to declare that area as Tiger Reserve, it will be needed to relocate all of them. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.